Welcome to Mushabbar from the historical and cultural capital of Turkey, Istanbul. We are close to the Grand Bazaar, close to our hotel, and I am making this video because one of our friend Muhammad Imran from Talagang, he usually likes these kind of stuff or monument. So this this looks like an old building with the pillars, but they have fallen down, so they have been broken, maybe in historic wars or something. I have no idea. Even here you see that this is the sign of old construction. Looks like very old construction. Maybe there is some information about this one, but I have no idea. Look at these pillars. So these pillars have been broken down into pieces. These are stone pillars, hardcore stones. But something have happened in the history here. This is also old wall, and also look at the building. Look at the building. It's not as old as these pillars, but it's interesting to look at this one. They have even put a carpet here. So this looks like ruins of old. This looks like from pre-Islamic times, maybe more than 1,000 years old. I talked with the guy in the shop. So even there are symbols. Oh my God, these are, someone was walking here. I think they should figure out the historic importance of this area and should make it more visible, and maybe they should put some kind of information here, because these are very old structure. And not much information is available here. Maybe something is available in further in front as we go. But these are at least 1,000 years old. That means maybe pre-Ottoman Empire's time, and there was a symbol of Christianity there. So this could be during the pre-Islamic times in Istanbul.